is up, y'all? It's your girl CPsays, and welcome back to the channel. We do a lot of videos in Vegas, but here is another series we're gonna do from my trip this year, 2022, and you're gonna see a lot of videos on food from the Cosmopolitan. I do a lot of focus there because they just have a lot of different options, but that's coming in future videos. For now, enjoy this quick vlog of my day one in Vegas. But you know the saying, the Vegas series without first visiting my grandma who lives out there. Hey, Mom Zenny! Hi! What are we drinking today?
Hi, Jason. You must come here. I have the pineapple.
What's in it? What else? Pineapple?
Apple, banana, dragon fruits.
Ooh, dragon fruit. That's good.
Ginger water.
Ginger water.
I had chia.
Ooh, chia's good.
Flaxseed.
Ooh, flaxseed's good. Collagen?
Collagen. Spinach.
Spinach is good. You got a new blender.
Uh-huh.
You got a new blender.
I had this long time
my bad,
ago.
sorry.
Saan pa yun?
I thought it looked different.
And then I
Yay!
cook spaghetti
Yeah.
because special someone is coming. My love.
That's me.
My love, baby.
Thanks,
and the
Mom.
spaghetti. Okay.
Ginger water.
You can put lemon or honey.
I just want to drink some right now.
Ginger water. Oh, it's good.
It's not as spicy. It's not as strong today. It's pretty good though.
Bago yung kaluluto ko lang kanina. Hindi ko din naman yun. Yeah.
New batch right here?
Yeah, yun yung batas mo. And then put honey, konti lang honey.
Oh, like on top or when you make it?
Yeah, on top siyempre when you make it.
Oh. My bad.
Okay, here.
Thank you.
The next day.
All right, what's up, y'all? It's your girl CPsays, and today I'm checking in at the Cosmopolitan in Las Vegas, and this is my first time staying at the Cosmopolitan. Bonus is that it's a Marriott property, and apparently that's not gonna be true for long until I think next year. They just got bought out by, I forget who just bought them out, but so that's gonna change the status of this being a Marriott property. Because of that, I had a pretty solid upgrade. But I'm here for work, so here we are, the FedEx Center. Be right back. All right, so Cosmopolitan was bought up by MGM. Sorry, I just remembered the guy. It's actually funny. I walked out of FedEx because they were actually closed. So I actually had to call and get all my boxes delivered to my room, which I just took care of. But the guy was like, I walked out and he's like, Cosmo got bought out by MGM. I'm like, oh, thanks, guy. So thanks to that guy. So I feel like a lot of people think the property is probably gonna go down in like quality because it's gonna turn into an MGM property versus like a Marriott property. So we'll see how that goes. Another thing is that it's hella windy out here. Like, so my friend Courtney, my coworker also, she's stuck in SFO because they aren't letting flights come into Vegas because no one could leave Vegas right now. And so there's a really big, we actually got like a warning for wind. So we'll see. Hopefully she'll make it out here. But I feel bad for her because this is her second show where her fucking flight to the place has had issues. And it's Vegas. You don't think it's so easy to get into here. So poor girl. All right, now I gotta edit some reservations here on the third floor of Cosmopolitan.
A few moments later.
First look at my suite at the Marquee, at the not Marquee. What the fuck am I? The Cosmopolitan in Las Vegas. Due to my status Marriott, I was able to get a free upgrade. So let's check it out. Whoa. Hell yeah. Bathtub. Shower. The mirrors. The shitter room. Ooh, what's this 2-color mirror thing? Okay, let's flip my thing. All right, here's my room. Wow. Oh my gosh, I have access to the balcony. Oh my God. Hell yes. Let's go. I've never stayed on a balcony room before in Vegas. Oh my gosh. Wow. Amazing. This is my closet. Look how cute this is. What the heck? I love this. That's a little scary, not gonna lie. It's like a story. Wow. The different paintings in the room. Definitely a different vibe than just a regular room. But yo, this is very impressive. Definitely gonna be working there. Got my setup. For our team dinner, we ate at Nobu over at Caesar's Palace. Here we have the shishito peppers and the yellowtail with jalapeños, my lone uni shooter, crispy rice with spicy tuna, the popular black cod with miso. This is usually our go-to, but today was only okay, and I may not order it again because I think I'm over it. I found something else I might have liked. And that would be the eggplant with miso, and I really enjoyed this that evening. Roasted cauliflower. And of course, you cannot go to Nobu without having something super bougie. And this, you'll see, is the A5 Wagyu that's been flambéed. And sorry for the video in portrait mode. I was taking this for TikTok, and yeah, enjoy.
Please sit back.
Oh yeah.
This table's on fire. Gotta be careful. It's on fire.
They're basically making the stone rock super hot so that you could cook your meat on it. And so it comes out medium rare. If you want it cooked longer, you put it on the rock and it makes it medium. For dessert, we got vanilla miso tart, which is a shortbread crust with whiskey mascarpone cheesecake, vanilla ganache, and a red miso dulce de leche. Also, a Japanese whiskey cappuccino, which is a coffee creme brulee with crunchy coffee and so delicious with milk ice cream on top. And to top off the night, I tried the bathtub, and it had jets in there, and I was like blown away. I was like, what? I've never seen that, something like that. Also, I don't really get bathtubs often in hotels because I always end up getting showers, so super stoked about this. All right, y'all, thank you so much for watching. I will see y'all on the next Vegas video. Laters.